Hi everyone, it's Amber here from the Stellar Guitarist, and thank you for joining me today. I've decided to do a sort of like a mini series of songs from the 80s, 90s and the noughties. So today's lesson is all about the noughties, or as some might know it as the 2000s, and what we're going to be doing is focusing on 4 chords and how they can open up to playing so many different songs. So I've taken 4 songs with one small bonus song just at the end, and we're going to be playing these songs just using 4 chords. So the chords that you're going to need to know are probably the first chords that any beginner guitarist is taught, and we're going to be using a capo today just because it's easier for me to sing in the key with a capo, but you can take the capo off and you can play without a capo if you have a deeper voice. But for the purpose of today's lesson, you're going to need a capo on the 5th fret. Then the chords we're going to be learning are a G major, we're then going to go to a D major, to E minor, and C major. So let's do that again. To G, 2, 3, 4, to D, 2, 3, 4, E minor, and to C. Great, so you got the chords down. Now let's focus on the strumming pattern. Again, I've decided to use a very popular pattern which sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So why don't you join me in practicing playing the chords with that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, go. Change to D, E minor, and C. One more time. G, to D, E minor, and to C. Right, all that's left to do is to join me in the next section of this lesson, where we're going to be using those exact 4 chords in the order that we've just practiced it with that strumming pattern. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you so much for watching my guitar tutorial today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really tried to keep it short, sweet and simple. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. I'm sure I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.